9th version of Paratailor has many new features. Paraglider can be viewed and analyzed as flat or inflated. Baseline and flat shape windows remain recognizable. You can accurately position up to 4 individual lines, plus brakes. Each line can be arbitrarily morphed in top view. Import more airfoils in many different forms. Select different cross ports for loaded, intermediate, and many ribs. Specify type and shape of rib reinforcements. Set pilot's position. Manage diagonal ribs and their cross ports. Adjust below compensation for top and bottom surfaces. Construct bridle, set loading, and place optimal brake relaxation point. As a unique feature, there is an incorporated CFD module for 3D wing analysis and proprietary module for 2D airfoil analysis. Both are a huge time and cost savers, since you need no third-party software anymore. Being able to predict the in-flight characteristics became a contemporary must. You can also add a graphic design to your wing if you like. Your work can be exported as DXF 2D and 3D graphics for processing and manufacture. And finally, there is an option for easy scaling the current wing up or down. Download is available on www.paratailor.com.